Nakakaano pa siya.
Dumidilat
Ano pangalan niya?
Si Ma Angela po. Angela. Ima.
Ima ang masal.
Opo. Nanay Ima. Nanay Ima.
Nanay Ima. Umano.
Ganyan!
Nandito po si Isko. Nay.
Day. Mayor. Ganyan. Ma. Si Mayor ito, Ma.
Patay na. Mananghali. Happy birthday.
Ang dami nga na niyan, Mayor.
Talaga?
Antay kayo ng Sunday.
Oh, 100 years old ka na. May regalo sa iyo ang pamahalang Luzon. Kayo na lang ang tumangga. At least magagamit ko yan. It's a very expensive thing.
Araw-araw yan.
Araw-araw yan. Ayun. Mabigat. Ito yung 100,000 niya.
Thank you po. Ma, ito ano nga ha? Oxygen mo ma. Ma, ito pang oxygen mo tsaka pamper mo.
Wow!
Yan.
Sana papahanap pa kita ng date eh. Oh,
For 100 years old. Tama.
you're very lucky. Your family loves and care for you.
Gising siya. Open up your eyes, Ma.
Nag-open naman siya. Ito naman yung kanyang ano. Certificate.
Thank you po.
O sige, para makapag-siesta na.
Siesta.
Pwede ba ako magpa-picture sa'yo?
Okay, Ma.
Hindi tayo na lang. Halika na. Halika kayo. Mga barangay official, mga asin pa yan.
Kaya? Okay po. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, mauna na ako. Pupunta. Pasensya na kayo, nakabala ko siesta niyo.
Mama.
Oo.
Yeah, he cannot hear well. You say hello, Papa.
Happy birthday. Oh.
Daddy, Daddy, happy birthday. They say happy birthday.
Yeah, take a video, baby. Baby, take a video of Papa. And Mayor,
You might
yeah.
be able to hear better dito.
Dad, visiting you, Dad.
I will show mine.
Oh, don't, we came from the outside.
He cannot hear it.
Happy birthday.
He's here to greet you. Yes, you
Opo.
turned 100.
You turn 100.
I want to see something.
The city government as a program.
Ako lalabas. Kayo na lang
You
nandiyan.
turn 100
I came from
as a matter of showing gratitude to our elders. We gave some gifts. Makabawas man lang sa gastusin. Opo.
Yes, Papa, can you hear me? You don't understand. Mayor Isko Moreno is here to greet you for your birthday.
It's okay. It's okay.
Kaya di lang.
I made. Oh dear, I made.
So dito na siya nung gera pa.
Yes.
Hanggang liberation.
Born 1926 eh.
He's,
This area was devastated during the liberation.
You know, I wish you could hear his stories about
For sure.
he was actually in. What's that street?
San Marcelino.
No,
San Marcelino.
no. Parallel to Taft. We used to call it Pennsylvania.
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 He calls it Pennsylvania.
I think it's Singalong. The bomb hit Lasal, Green Hills. So lahat sila lumipat dito.
Oh, grabe ang nangyari sa Lasal.
Yes, kaya lahat ng Lasalista nun po naging atinista.
Ah.
Yan ang story.
Kasi nadurog yung ano eh.
Nagulog sila sa lahat sila
Ay, kasi Ateneo nasa Maynila nung araw eh.
Yes.
Tama nga naman.
They call it, Daddy says, Ateneo Gipit. That's the name of the place before.
Do you want to introduce Mayor to mommy?
Yes, Mayor, this is my mom. She's 87. Mama, come out, Mama.
I'll get out of
She
the
is,
way.
ano naman, Bisaya.
I'll get out of the way. They're the superstars naman.
Mama, come, Mama.
Ay, magandang araw po. Pasensya na. Napulo namin ng bahay.
Oh, no, hindi.
Oh. Eh di, may special gift ang city government sa husband ninyo for reaching 100 years old. And in our own little way, showing the city's gratitude for our elders.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Haliga, kasal ba? Ito si Direktora Beth, ang aming head ng senior citizen.
Hello, Beth.
Pasensya ka na dito at pangbawas lang sa gastusin. Oh, pwede mo i-date si Mami.
Sa Robinson.
Oh, the Robinson.
Oo nga.
Oh, 100,000.
Daddy, oh, para ti, Papa.
Kasi bibihira talaga ang mga nabibigay. Yung maswerte nga siya, malusog pa siya. Isa namin pinuntahan. Challenge na.
Come here, gift.
Thank you sa taxpayer. Ako sinisinop ko lang. Ito naman.
Dido,
Ito.
Yes, dear.
can one of them go in so that they can take a picture of
Everybody.
Dad and Mayor?
Ah, yeah.
Official photographer po.
Behind you.
I'm from here. You,
Can daddy move forward?
I'm sorry.
Can daddy move forward?
No, Mom, it's okay. Mama,
Hindi natin siya ilagay sa
Okay, para hindi magsikip. Opo, okay lang po.
Ako.
Yan.
Ayan.
Perfect.
Mami, halika rin.
would you want to see?
Yan.
Saan na si ating dentist? O ikaw ang nawala.
Where's my sister?
Hello po.
Anak, padaanin niyo muna sila. Please.
Tadaan mo natin yung isa. Si...
Mga Batang Maynila, ito ang Antigo.
Can I ask somebody?
Antigong Maynila.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Smile. Smile, Dad. Smile.
Okay po.
Smile na lang at Peter.
1, 2, 3.
I should take a picture of that.
Oh.
It's so cute to see.
Ayan, meron ba kinuha na mo?
Doon na lang tayo.
Medyo malinsan mo.
Nice naman the picture.
Mag-iingat ka. I'll go ahead.
Look at that, Dad. Say thank you, Dad.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dad, say thank you.
Thank you. He said. Thank you.
God bless you, my dear. If I can help in any way, I appreciate you.
Kami ang partner namin ng PGX. So,
Yes,
tinutulungan kami sa ospital ng Maynila.
Si Dr. Gaple last week po and I were residents together. Sabay kami mag-train. I'm just a few years younger.
Go ahead. Stay healthy.
Thank you so much, Mayor. Stay healthy too.
Daddy, Esther is Mayor Scott Moreno is Esther. Esther.
Say thank you.
Here. Sorry. I'm here. I'll go ahead so that you can rest.
Ay, Mayor, can I
No, I'm good.
Daddy, say thank you, Dad. He gave you